staff were so good that we felt that it has been long time we haven't traveled anywhere by bus. So let's board a bus and roam around. Then we went to
Couple of weeks back.
couple of weeks.
Or last
back.
week?
No. It's been
Actually,
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Yeah.
Last week we have been to Jamshedpur some.
Yeah. For veggies. We went to our friend's house. We charged our Ola bike. So my younger brother, Moog Ola bhai, and my husband, they are very good friends. Thus they are good friends, I call him brother. We went, they both went and got good veggies for us. And then we got some fruits as well and came back to home. It was our first ride to Jamshedpur in our Ola electric bike.
It was a great experience though.
Yes. Ola indeed is a nice bike. It's just the service which screws us. But so far I haven't encountered any requirement for Ola bike service so far yet. So far so good with it. And then in this week we were like where to go, what to do.
कहीं तो जाना है.
We just wanted to push our legs on the pedal of the accelerator in our car. So we just wanted to drive somewhere. So suddenly what striked, I don't know. We were so pissed that we asked ChatGPT what has to be done. We have covered all the places nearby in Odisha, in Jamshedpur, in Jharkhand, in West Bengal. Most of the places are covered. Most of our neighboring states are also done. Where should we go next? And then ChatGPT was also like, what should you do? It also suggested some random things. And then we thought of going Digha. Then our mind just struck that we have to encounter Baripada wala Ghat section, which is under construction.
Road construction is going on.
Yeah.
And it's really very pathetic. The condition of the roads are really bad now.
We don't know.
It's so bad, no? Every day, whenever any bus starts from Rairampur till Bhubaneswar via Baripada, they use that lemons such that they basically
Reach
safely.
It's a spiritual thing.
Like every day they're doing it. That's how dangerous it is now. So I thought, why should we unnecessarily take any
What
risk?
ghat is called?
Bangri Posi.
Bangri Posi Ghat.
So yeah, that eventually got
Then we
postponed.
Then we thought we'll go to Saraikela to get some laddus.
Right.
Then meanwhile we'll get down and we'll take a break in Tata Nagar and fetch some good pamphlet and prawns. But later we thought that we already had a cheat day, so we just paused on that plan. I'll never call it off because we both are foodies and for food we can do anything. Isn't it? What do you say?
क्या?
What does food means to you?
भाई खाना है तो सब कुछ है. As simple as that.
And what does travel means to us?
वो भी मतलब part and parcel of our life.
Then today morning also we woke up at 6 and then laid on bed till 7 thinking
What has to be done?
what has to be done, कहाँ जाना है.
किधर जाना है, कैसे
Till
जाना
then we had no clue what has to be done.
है. Correct.
And then post that, what happened, Sandeep? Post that we were very hungry, so we just rushed to kitchen, had our breakfast and everything, and then we fed our chicks and ducks. Everything is done. We took bath, and then over the call we spoke to Papa. Until then we had a plan that we'll go to Digha. Then we spoke with Papa that we are going to Bhubaneswar. Then he said, okay. And as soon as we got his approval, okay, we rushed. We got our keys to our uncle, house keys for the pets. And then we rushed, packed everything. My house is entirely on solar now, starting from my fridges till the lights, and then the outdoor lights, and my internet router, CCTV, everything is on solar. So electric
Both
bill
the
का भी
fridges.
electric bill का भी मुझे कोई लोड नहीं है अब, सब sorted है. अच्छे से पैकिंग किया.
By the time you were involved in the packing process, I managed to get our 1 year wala validity
हाँ,
for our FASTag.
फास्टैग भाई 3000 में हो गया यार.
200 trip.
200 ट्रिप.
And the best part is I cross-check the tolls. Whatever comes in our way are covered in that particular pass. But yeah, the worst part of this entire process is till now we haven't got any chance to refuel. Like last time I think we refueled 1 month back. Till then the vehicle is just moving here and there.
Since then.
Let's see if we get something good, like with respect to new petrol tanks or fuel pumps, we'll get our refilling done.
Once it is done for 800 kilometers at least, we are.
800. If it is a NH, then it will be 1000.
No, we have to consider the realistic figure, na? Because
right.
it's never that only the NH will come. Just the way we are stuck here right now. So we can't predict what's going to come, what's going to happen, where the road construction will be going on.
Right. Realistically, it should be 850 or 800 in full tank.
In a full tank, I can assure it. इतना कम, इससे कम तो देगा ही नहीं.
देता ही नहीं है, आज तक दिया
आज
नहीं है.
तक आज तक का पता नहीं.
नहीं दिया, नहीं दिया.
मेरा हस्बैंड बोल रहा है नहीं दिया ना, मैं नहीं जानती हूँ, मैं इतना फोकस नहीं की हूँ.
आज तक
बट
नहीं दिया.
इसलिए मैं एक रियलिस्टिक फिगर बोल रही हूँ कि जिसका मेरे को एश्योरेंस है कि मुझे रॉन्ग इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं जाएगा मेरा. यहाँ डाला है इंडियन ऑयल.
नहीं.
हाँ, सिटी के अंदर भी. इसके बाद मिलेगा तो
करंजिया में मिलेगा. 83 किलोमीटर का भी है रेंज. टेंशन मत लो.
अच्छा.
दिस इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट व्हाट वी से.
नहीं, इस गाड़ी में
Fuel
मुझे
efficient.
रेंज एंजाइटी नहीं होती है. फिर हमने पैकिंग में इंक्लूड किया अपना जो भी टूथब्रश, टॉयलेटरीज, टॉवल्स, एक स्पेयर कपड़ा.
मेरा भी उसला ही हो ना.
हाँ, 3/4 और टी शर्ट.
ठीक है.
और तुम्हारा हुडी इन केस तुमको ज़्यादा ठंड लगे, कहीं तो कुछ और प्लान बन जाए.
गाड़ी के कितने लगेगा, लेट्स सी.
I've got my sweaters and I have put on 2 tops, तो मुझे और पैकिंग करने की नीड नहीं है.
यार लास्ट टाइम वी विजिटेड विद आवर ड्राइवर नो.
हाँ, last time it was with driver.
Did you document that somewhere?
हाँ, it was in YouTube only.
Okay.
It's in YouTube.
But yes, today we are taking our favorite vehicle, Carens.
I don't know, but I like all the vehicles which are at home.
मुझे ये चलाना. अरे यार ये क्या है?
We are.
कीड़े थे ना.
हाँ, हम पे
भाई
20
साहब.
हमला करती है.
बच गए यार.
बच गए. हमला कर
20 थे. हाँ 20 ही
20 थे, बट वेलकम किए. मैं बोलूँगी हमला तो नहीं था, डर लगा, बट
हाँ.
बड़ी डरावनी वेलकमिंग थी.
मैं चौंक किया, पता है. दे भाई.
कट लो. और क्या हुआ संदीप?
और क्या. And then finally we started at around 10. Yes, 10 o'clock almost. We started at around 10. रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी खत्म करके निकले. अभी वी हैव कवर्ड ऑलमोस्ट लाइक 60 किलोमीटर्स इन एन आवर. दैट टू एंटायरली विलेज रोड्स उस हाल पे. तो so far so good.
What's your mileage?
Now it came down from 20.
Okay.
Roughly 19.7.
हम सिमलीपाल क्रॉस कर रहे हैं फॉरेस्ट एरिया.
Forest area.
यहाँ आई वांटेड टू गो इनसाइड एज वेल बट बड़े चोंचले हैं. मेरे को इतने रिस्ट्रिक्शंस के साथ मूव करने में थोड़ा दिक्कत होती है.
छोड़ो देखेंगे कभी.
कभी तो एक ट्राई करना है बट we'll see what are the best possibilities that can come across us. ये हाइकिंग ट्रैकिंग ये सब भी कर लेना है बुढ़ापे से पहले. मतलब जो घर के आसपास की चीजें हैं वो सब एटलीस्ट. Why you are touching your stomach? You are feeling hungry?
नहीं.
You're checking your belly fat.
हाँ.
तुमको कृति सनन बनना है?
नहीं भाई बिल्कुल नहीं. मुझे तेरी फेवरेट है.
My favorite, nothing as such. So I'm staying still for now. We'll